As an estate planning attorney, I am so lucky to be invited into people's lives to talk about some of the most important things to them. We talk about life, we talk about death, we talk about family, we talk about relationships with kids and in-laws, legacy, all of that stuff. And I was noticing with certain clients, it was really important to talk about their animals, to talk about their cats or their dogs or their birds or their horses. And it was really important for them to put information down on paper about what they wanted for the animal and who they wanted to care for the animal and how they saw the continued lifetime of the animal if they were no longer there to care for the animal themselves. And I had one client in particular, she was wonderful, and she loved her dog and her cat so much. And she had COPD, and so she had a lot of time to think, even though she had this degenerative disease. And so we spent a lot of time, me writing down all of the things that she wanted to put down on paper about the continued care of her dog and her cat. And as I was driving home from the meeting, I thought, that's not unusual that she had so many concerns about her pets in particular, because I too have two dogs and I love them so much. They've provided so much companionship. And one of them in particular, Biggie, I call him my firstborn son. He's my canine soulmate. He knows when I'm upset. He knows when I'm happy. He's there for me all the time. That dog is just, he's the dog. And if you're a dog or a cat or a horse lover, you know that animal. And I thought, I need to put something together for my clients. And I will also make it available to everyone who's a pet lover to put all of their wishes, their thoughts, the daily routine, the mundanity, all the things that you know about your pet on paper. So that whoever is charged with finding a second loving home for the animal could pick up the baton and start walking, with this information right away. And one of the things as an estate planning attorney I noticed is that a lot of it is not rocket science. It's about taking all this information that's all over the place and putting it in one place so that someone else can get to it quickly and keep moving along. So the form itself, as I had said, I'm making it available for free to anyone who wants to use it. It has 6 parts, and I've put together videos to guide you and walk you through the 6 parts. The things that you should know is this is best for domesticated animals. This is not really used for like, for example, a horse. I have clients who have horses and the horses are really important to them, but horses have other needs that are beyond the scope of this pet directive. But I hope that this document sparks some ideas in your mind about some of the things that you want to write down if you have, for example, a horse. And the other thing I want to mention is that this is not a legal document. This is not a place for you to make a bequest for the benefit of the animal. You should do that, in a will or in a trust. This is more of a compilation of really critical and important information that someone else would need to know so the pet's life is as uninterrupted as possible if something were to happen to you. I hope you find this information useful. I hope it gives you peace of mind, and please feel free to watch the companion videos that help you guide yourself through the form. Thank you so much.